Hey everyone, I'm Chris Photo. Today I'm going over an opening of an in-home that will help you hit Hall of Fame and more importantly, help you protect a lot of families. So, my opening question. So, have you ever done mortgage protection before? Or final expense or life insurance if that's the type of appointment you're in? If the answer is yes, okay, great. Then you know how simple this process is. If the answer is no, okay, great. Well, this is a very simple process. So I work with a company called Family First Life, and I'm what they call a field underwriter. So we've aligned with every carrier worth writing for. They're all either A, excellent, or A plus superior. I show them the credibility sheet with our carriers. I'm sure you've heard of many of them, if not most of them. John Hancock, Mutual of Omaha, Transamerica, they're all great. Now, I don't work for them. I work for you to try to find the best option to fit both your needs and your budget. So what I'm going to do over the next few minutes is I'm going to ask you some very basic questions, okay? A little bit about your mortgage or burial needs or final expense, a little bit about your finances and what we're trying to accomplish, and some medical history questions. Then based on the medical history questions, I'm going to shop all of our carriers in our database. And you may even see me reach out to a carrier or an underwriting, our senior underwriting team, so I can make sure that I put you in the best position possible. So now the carriers, they all have medical underwriters that work for them. And what they're going to do is they're going to look into two things. Okay, they're going to look into your MIB, it's your Medical Information Bureau, and they're going to look into your prescription database. They're going to see all of that. So because you're going to give them permission, it's HIPAA protected. So please make sure you tell me everything. I'll make sure we find the right carrier that's going to pay out if or when something happens, okay? So today we've got two objectives. Which carrier I think is going to qualify you, and then find something obviously that fits both your needs and your budget. And then once I find that carrier, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out some options for you. You'll choose the option that makes the most sense, and then we'll submit an application to the carrier. Now, some carriers will let us know immediately after we submit it, and some will take a little time to get back with a decision. Now, here's the good thing. If you get qualified, what they do is the carrier is going to draft on a monthly basis, so you don't have to worry about ever missing a payment or losing your coverage. And that's it. Sounds easy, right? Great. Any questions for me yet? Perfect. Now is when I pull out the client worksheet and I go through that process of just answering the questions on the final on the client worksheet. Hope that helps, guys.